So one of the things which I would like to highlight here is most of the business applications, the focus is more on the business function, like how I can provide the business function. But security and the performance requirements are the two requirements which are mostly ignored by the business teams. And then those will be cast up at the later stage when the application is deployed and the applications got hacked, the data has been lost, and all those scenarios comes in. So we'll take you through all those things today, and we'll also answer your questions if you have. So let's see the trend today. Threats today? What we have? This is the statistics I have got from F-Secure, which provides antivirus and support on the mobile devices. So you see, Android is more vulnerable today. So 68% share goes to Android. Maybe it is because of the diversification of devices, and many vendors are there for Android, and it's open source. So Symbian platform is ignored from this report, but most share is for Android, J2ME, and Windows Mobile Pocket PC. So Trend Micro actually identified there will be like 5,000 new malicious Android apps will be there in this quarter. So that was one of the big challenging factor for the Google, where they have to put some control on their app store or market store, where they want to control, they don't want these malicious applications to be there in their marketplace. So this is the statistics. I'll move on the next. So we have information like $1 million have been stolen from Android users' smartphones, which is like profit motivated and non-profit motivated. So people are, you see the trend here, the cyber criminals are trying to, get profit out of, attacking on the phones. So more and more we use, and that's why we had a discussion whether people are adopting more, secure channels or not, or they are more comfortable on the phones or not yet. So this is the statistics. So these are a few security threats, top mobile security threats we'll see. One of the important point is when there is an application to be developed, we see there is a poor or lack of mobile security strategy when we start any application development. It's almost none. It's like people don't care at that time. Okay, let's see what happens, and then there is no formal strategy put in place for the security. That is one of the biggest threat. Then there is a less IT control. So with more and more BOID concepts are coming in, people are using their own devices. It's harder to control for the IT guys those devices, and that also becomes the biggest threat in the mobile world. Immature security solutions. Basically, you see that today, as I said, like no formal strategy put in place, and the applications are not developed with proper coding practices, secure coding practices. So it becomes easy for the attackers to make use of those loopholes and attack on those particular application. Network communication channel, as we use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GSM, it is again those channels are not so secure, so they can attack using those. So that also is one of the threat. Data loss caused by the gadget. This is most of our clients say like, what if my device is lost? How you can make your app secure that your application does not allow anybody to log into our application and get the data whatever they need. So this is all this can be handled through some of the solutions we'll see in the next slides. Mobile malware, as I said, like there are 5,000 Android applications or malware already there in the marketplace. So these will be also a threat. Application proliferation. Basically, as you see, like millions of applications are there in App Store. For the vendors like Apple and Google, is very difficult for them to scrutinize each and every app. So basically, what they will do is just a general guidelines they will check, but they will not check whether your app is foolproof for the security. So that is one of the threat. Enterprise data on the device, as we see more and more people wants to use their applications, business applications, emails on the device. We see a lot of sensitive data like pricing information of the products, catalogs. A lot of sensitive information may go on the mobile, and that could also lead to a threat.